welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, welcome back to another vlog, and also welcome back to Vlogmas day 3. Tonight we are going to spend a cool relaxing night together. It's raining out so bad and I'm about to settle in for the night and just get stuff together for a good night rest. I haven't had my dinner yet, so we are going to make dinner together tonight, and afterwards we're just going to relax and spend a cool relaxing evening together. So let's go over to the kitchen and get started with the cooking. Tonight we are making ofada sauce and ofada rice. This is a very special meal that I've never made by myself before, so it's my first time making this. So I'm going to start off with my meat. I am going to cook my proteins, add all of my ingredients. You can use any protein of your choice and any ingredients of your choice. I'm also going to be adding some fried fish, some dried fish, and some eggs to my ofada sauce. In a pot, I am going to add my red palm oil and allow that to bleach for a few minutes. Afterwards, I'm going to go in with my chopped onions and just give that a good stir. And after that, I am going to add my pepper mix and also give it a good stir before adding more ingredients to my sauce. I allow it to steam for a few minutes before adding my fish and my other proteins and just give it a good stir and let it cook. In a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add a good amount of my ofada rice and just let this parboil for a few minutes. After parboiling, I am going to go over to the sink and give it a good wash. You really need to wash the rice because it tends to have a lot of sand, so be sure to give your rice a good wash. I'm making this dish special by wrapping the rice on a leaf that just had so much flavor to eat. The food came out really good. It was so yummy and so delicious. Skincare routine for the night. I keep things really simple for my skin. I really don't do much, and I haven't even done a skincare today, so we're gonna go start with some cleanser. This is the cleanser that I use for my face. It is really good. I rarely wear makeup, but I still use this to cleanse my face regardless because it is so good. But if you do wear makeup all the time and yeah, you don't use this cleanser, you're missing out. You better go grab one of these. I'm gonna go in with my facial toner. This is the brand that I use, that I've been using. It is really good, and I like the freshness and the coolness it brings to my face after using it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my face. And tonight I'm going to be using this face mask for my face. It's the Cosmic Milky Way face mask, and yeah, we're going to apply this to our face for the nighttime just to give it a fresh, relaxing feel. And it says to keep this on for 10 to 20 minutes. We're gonna go in for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm also trying a new brand for the first time. This is the Glow Up Toner. I'm gonna apply some of these to my face. And I got this in the watermelon flavor, so it smells exactly like watermelon. And I also got the serum for it, the Glow Up serum. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these to my face as well. And you can use any of these in the morning or at night. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna add the Glow Up moisturizer as well. That is going to be my skincare for the night. I am not going to add any more products just to make sure these actually work. So I'm going to just use just these just to make sure it actually works. I'm going to try this for a couple nights and see what difference it's going to add to my face. And if you don't have one of these body mist yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. This stuff smells so good. Like, it smells really good. I like spraying this all over my body right before I go to bed and in the morning when I'm going to work or going out during the day, but I never skip using this at nighttime because it smells really good. We're gonna go ahead and add some of these to our body. Smells so good. And I'm all set to go to bed. It's getting really late. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep, and I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below what you think. Also remember to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.